my shoes are Gucci and the shirt for proving. Them boy, they knew me, I'm a bitch, them bullshit, I'm a lifestyle movie. Father love. Father
Look out his son, man, father, man.
Yeah, man, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, baddest channel. I'm here alone in all the dark crew.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before me jump in, may I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on the video here. My people, it's a blessed Sunday morning. Happy Sunday to everybody. Happy Sunday all over God church. Please pray for me. Pray for all of my subscribers them. All of my watchers them. Alright? Big up on yourself. And you don't know what to thank Father God. So we have life. Without life, we can't do that blog here. We can't listen to it. We can't do nothing at all, my people. Alright? So no don't see what go on. Mama telling you say that go on. Valiant left the Grand Cayman. I want to see the gym, do some jet skiing and one bag of thing. And after leaving Cayman, he is now in Guyana. After leaving Guyana, he might come back to Jamaica because he have a show at Jamaica today, Sunday night, yeah. And then after that, he is heading back to, he actually have a next show in a Cayman tomorrow. Next month. And he's going to Canada, big country, next month. But anyway, my people, this is what I have for you. Snippets from the performance in Guyana. And my people, if you don't know the full performance I beg you to check out that video because based on what I see, I don't know if the promoter them more excited for the Valiant than the fans them. Because Valiant have to turn back him every second and I say, yo, bigger piece of stage, father. Bigger piece of stage. You see me? So them never did that give him enough space for can move around on the stage. I don't know if they come like they are bigger fans than the actual fans. You understand? But my people, stay tuned. I gotta drop the video them phone now. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat.
I want to look at diplomats. Make some nice man. Over this, make some nice man. I want diplomats, man. Hold on. We're not even going to talk too much. Make each of you fight yourself. Hold on. You know what's that? Don't stand. Behave yourself. Don't spot this. Make some nice man. Over this to make some nice man. Introducing. Everyone go. Who are you to say Father? Running my father. Who asked you can't father a kind of? Who asked you can't father a kind of? Beg your pass. Beg your pass. Beg your pass. Hold on. Who can't father a kind of? Anybody see? Yeah. Where you at them there? What is it? Go. And we have a family yard, we're gonna try to see you're such a good it's gonna call me early morning. Father. Ready? Ready? I'm getting my father? Yeah. All right. From back of the class. Yeah, no. Back of the class. Stunts. From off of the streets. Give me a piece of TV, ready? Bum shaking our counter, make the skull upset. No, I don't say. Back of the class, man, I'm so check. England girl in all the people want rough sex. She got the Malian, but she not junkie. She be brown and make she get upset. Guyana! You want money and the subject. You want money and the subject. But that, you know, love fraud. Sing it! You know, right? PDFs already. You want belly, can't hold one belly. Right chicken and you give me this thing, my father. Bum shaking our counter, make the skull upset. No, I don't say. Back of the class, man, I'm a subject. England girl in all the big man want rough sex. She back the Malian, but she not drunk yet. Talk off with my father.